Alright guys, just picked up this here Kobalt gearless ratchet. It does not make any noise whatsoever. And came right here in this set with these universal sockets, which I'm not a fan of at all. I've come to find out that they universally round off anything they touch, so they're not good for anything. But they came in the set, and the set was such a good deal that I went ahead and bought it, because the set was $10. The ratchet by itself was $25, so I couldn't really pass it up even if I don't use these sockets. Comes with some 1/4 inch, and then the rest is 3/8. Well, here's what it replaces: the universals. The universals replace 6-point, 12-point, metric and standard, star, square, most rounded, and spline. Now I agree with that most rounded. Most of the time it's going to round off everything you touch with it. But I don't know, if you live in California, Southern California, where it's dry all the time, you know, because they live in a desert, then you don't have to worry about stuck nuts and bolts like you do here in the middle of Kansas, or northeast, or northwest, or southwest, or, you know, anywhere but the desert. It does have a push button release for the socket. I've noticed that it doesn't need that, because it doesn't work. You don't even have to touch the button. You just come right off. So that may be pretty damn annoying in the engine bay on a bolt. So you have to get put in, and, well, your socket falls off. But I don't know, I'm sure I can make it work. Gotta be something I can do to fix that. Something's just not right. But yeah, I figured I'd go ahead and let you know that right now Lowe's has a sale on these things, if you can find them, and they are cheap. I know the Snap-on version of this ratchet, which Kobalt and Snap-on are in some kind of cahoots together. I don't know if Snap-on owns Kobalt or what the story is there. I think Snap-on owns Kobalt, kind of like they own Blue Point, but it doesn't make any noise. Well, until you hit something with it. Yeah, I'll go ahead and take her out and use her, and let you know here in a follow-up video whether or not I like it, if it's worthwhile to buy or not. Right now I'm saying if you want one of these gearless ones, it's worthwhile because it's on sale if you can find it. I originally went in for the wrenches, but they didn't have any wrenches left. All they had was this set and some others hanging up on the wall of just the single ratchets. But this was the last one in that Liberty, Missouri store, so I gobbled it up. I couldn't pay him $10 fast enough. But let's see here. Part number for this kit: 0607975. And then the ratchet 607403. And underneath that it says 0814, so I'm not sure if that's a manufacture date, build by date, or what that is. I don't think it's part of the actual part number though. We'll see. Talk to you guys later. Bye. Also did notice something else on these. They say Kobalt on them, like you would reckon they would. But it also has both sizes. There's a 3/4 SAE and 19 for the metric. This has a part number on it too, and a 0914 on the bottom of it. – 7/32, 5.5 millimeter. And also has a 0914.